All right, Revel, going outside. It's snowing a lot. I'm going to show you. And Pop is snow blowing, so you're going to see that too. Here we go. Open the door. Look at that. So much snow. So much snow. Look at all the snow. And Pop already shoveled the stairs, and there's so much snow. And there he is, snow blowing. Hi, Lynn. Going back to the shed. Feel the snow in the backyard. It's still snowing a lot, a real lot. Look how deep it is. My boots are almost completely covered. It's crazy. No birdies. All the birdies are hiding in the trees. No deer. They're all hiding. All right, I gotta go help Pop. All right. See ya.